This 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 192 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, Skylight, LP detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, awning, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachman Freedom Express Ultralight 192 RBS is 4,418 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.